Guys, once again, it's your boy Spani, and I'm at Escaleni live. It is crazy, as you can see behind me. Everyone is legit, everyone is on their vibe, Kumnandi, and we're still gonna be interviewing a lot of people. There's Tira, there's Amawele, there's Fly Motion, and many more. You already know what it is. Kumnandi, Saso Shoba, and come with me, join me, Escaleni, Kishubi Sanam. This is your boy Spani once again, and I'm just gonna ask her some few questions. She's at Escaleni naye, so awusixoxele kumnandi ngiyazi, it's exciting. Jabulile ukubona uTira.
I'm so very excited to ukubona uTira today. This is the reason why I'm here. Ukuthi ngibona umalume.
Ujabulile ukumbona?
Very much.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ujabulile ukubona uTira, nami ngijabulile. Bebe jabulile nami ngijabulile. Signing out.
Blick der Stoßer, Blick der Stoßer, Blick der Stoßer, Blick der Stoßer.
Hello guys, this is Spani and this is Student TV. Ngihleli noSisi omuhle. Muhle noSisi. Muhle noSisi. This is Uthando, and we have seen her on many platforms. Trust me, she's done songs with DJ Bongs, and she's here at Escaleni and she's going to be performing. Thando, tell us, what are you performing today? What should we expect? We know, because you have the vibe, Yongi Indigwen. So tell us, say expected.
Okay, Sanwanan, hello guys. Thandolo. Well, the performing Jubalano is always like Abantu Bangazi get Jubalano. Yeah, so and there's another single, Ishona Malanga, that I'm going to be performing featuring Gulungsta M, like the organizer of this event, yes. So,
wow, that is massive.
Yeah.
That is massive. So, angas ufikele sombonangu Tira as ama test move.
I was here. Kambano makoyo purring. Makoyo purring.
And this is Uthando. If you want to follow you on all media platforms,
okay, I'm on Instagram, I'm Thando Chuku, and on Facebook, I'm Thando Chuku Zex. So if it's Thando Chuku, you're gonna get me.
Wow, that is Uthando, and I'm your host, Spani_SA on
What's up? You guys look beautiful tonight, oh my God. Shout out to Escaleni. We're celebrating 1 year. So right now, we're gonna do our second song.
Sikala party leto. Asing now.
Asikagenzi lo.
Asambi. Asibani.
Sizolala.
Okumutanasenala. Sikala party leto. Asing down. Sienta leto. Hawati koko. Hawati koko. Hawati sanmana. Let's go. Wash out.
Ladies and gentlemen, ngifuna manje bezidlala nengoma ezodlala manje ne. Wonke umuntu ophethe ibhodlela aliphakamise phezulu. Ngicela ubone isiphuzo phezulu. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody be a pencil. Let's go. Everybody be a pencil. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody be a pencil. Let's go. Can you all talk like it? Let's go. 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 Are you ready to jump? Come on. I say 1, 2, 3. Ready to jump. Let's go. 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 Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Honey, we wanna party. We wanna party. Honey, we say yes, honey. We wanna party. We wanna. One more time. I say yes, honey. We wanna party. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we go by the name of 431. No kuluma la. UPK okamsimango kandengezi. Maramin Jones. Ubudengezi. Ngiyamthanda nonke bafethu. Thank you so much.
Do you want some more? Signal and prancing. Sisuse. Hey. Thank you. Everyone. Washa